Welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do another Game Day Appetizer. Today it's going to be Jalapeño Popper Pigs in a blanket. All right, look at that. We got jalapeno popper, jalapenos, the cream cheese filling wrapped in a crescent roll. We're going to put these in the pellet grill, 225 for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to crank it up to 350 until crescent rolls can get golden brown. The other night, I made a couple of pizzas. One of them was just a pepperoni and green chili pizza, and we had leftover pepperonis. Now, I don't know if you ever watch Reels or not, or if you ever seen that guy. I'm not sure what his name is, Dustin or something like that. He's the guy he's the ain't no way. You mean to tell me for 40 years I could have been doing this? Well, one of the reels that he did the pepperonis with cream cheese in the middle, right there. So we're going to use the rest of that cream cheese that I had and try these out and see if they're any good. I mean, his little reel said that they're really good. They looked really good. So, hey, it's an appetizer. It's for game day, and we're going to toss these in too. So anyway, if you want to know how to make these and the Jalapeño Popper Pigs in a blanket with the little smokies, let's go inside. I'll show you how we do it. Okay, for these Jalapeño Popper Pigs in a blanket, little smoky pigs in a blanket, you know, we're gonna make the cream cheese. I'm not gonna use the entire block because I'm only gonna make maybe 16 of them, plus I've got another little appetizer treat that I want to show you. So I'm gonna use about, I don't know, 3/4 of a block of cream cheese, roughly. Okay, and we're gonna use some Heath Riles honey chipotle rub. You can use your favorite rub. This rub here is pretty darn good, so I'm going to probably put about a tablespoon in there. All right, I've got this Chihuahua cheese. You know I like this cheese. I get this at Walmart. Good melting cheese. I'm going to get probably about a half a cup with that amount of cream cheese. And then I've got some crumbled bacon. I made this bacon. I think it's 5 slices. Well, for some reason, camera went off when I was doing the bacon. I had about 5 slices. I'm just kind of eyeballing how much I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm going to use all 5 slices. How's that for eyeballing, huh? All right, we're just going to get this mixed up. Okay, so, you know, I've got this mixed up pretty well. The stuffing, the cream cheese stuffing doesn't have to be complicated. You just need some cream cheese. You can use your favorite shredded cheese and your favorite barbecue rub inside. You don't even have to do that. You can make this filling with whatever, you know, ingredients that you like. Just include some cream cheese, and you should be good to go. All right, so there you go. Got it mixed up really well. Next step, we're going to cut our jalapenos. I got 8 jalapenos, and of course, you know, a tube of crescents comes with 8 crescent rolls. And what we're going to do is take those 8, cut them in half. So we'll have 16. So I have 8 jalapenos. We'll cut these in half, and that'll give us 16. Cutting up your jalapenos, it doesn't have to be rocket science, right? Okay, these jalapenos are kind of small, which is good because we're going to put little smokies in them, so you don't want them much bigger than your little smoky, right? So if you don't know how to cut up a jalapeno, I mean, just cut them up till they're about the size of, you know, the little smoky. Okay, then we're going to cut these in half, and you want to take the seeds and the membrane out. Just grab a spoon. Wear gloves if the jalapenos irritate your hands. We want to take the membrane and the seeds out just like that. Okay, now I'm going to do the other 8, and I'll be right back. There you go. Got them all cut, got them emptied, and actually I'm saving my the little tips that are still good. I'm going to be making some more jalapeno relish here pretty soon, so I will add those to the relish and not let it go to waste. All right, so next step coming up. So I got a can of crescent rolls unrolled here. Just want to take your knife and separate where the crescent rolls are. You can pull them apart if you want. I've had these sitting out a little bit, so they're a little soft, which is totally fine. Okay, now once you get the your crescent rolls and all their little crescent roll shapes, you want to take them and cut them in half, because we're rolling little smokies, right? So you don't need the whole width of a regular crescent roll. So cut these in half. Okay, pretty easy stuff, right? Okay, so you got to bring back your jalapenos, and you've got to take your stuffing and just put a little bit of stuffing in each one. Doesn't take very much. I'm gonna have extra. I will be making some poppers later, so it's all good. So this is optional. Got them all stuffed. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this honey chipotle by Heath Riles in here, just to get a little extra pop of flavor. All right, next step is you want to put your little smoky in there. All right, so you got your jalapeno popper and your little smoky. All right, the next step, I got a wire rack. I'm going to take a little smoky. I did spray that with some oil. And, you know, just like you roll up a crescent roll, you wrap that little smoky around in there with the jalapeno. And just like that, I'm going to set them on there, right, in case you weren't watching. Right, Sal? And we're just going to wrap these around. Little smoky pigs in a blanket. Jalapeno popper pigs in a blanket. Using little smokies. Okay, just like that. You can brush these with an egg wash if you want. You can brush them with butter. So if you can brush them with butter, I'm going to have some butter flavor on them. I'm just going to spray them with butter. That should help crisp them up a little bit, brown them up. We're going on the pellet grill, 225 degrees for probably 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll crank it up to 350. But I want to get some smoke flavor on this just to give it some more flavor. So, remember, I kept that regular cream cheese to the side, and this is what I was just talking about. This is super easy. Looked super delicious from that guy. You put a little bit of cream cheese in the middle of your pepperoni. And like I said, I got this pepperoni left over from doing a pepperoni pizza the other night. And that's it. You're just gonna take a piece of pepperoni. Great appetizers. Put some cream cheese in the middle. Kind of push it down a little bit. And that's all there is to it. All right. How hard was that, right? All right, so here we go. Here's our pigs in a blanket. 225, 20 to 30 minutes. I think I need to scooch them all the way over. And then our pepperoni with some cream cheese in the middle. I think they will fit. They should fit. I've done it before. Of course, you know, feet up so I can move them around, slide them around if I need to. All right, so we'll be back in about 20 to 30 minutes, and we'll get these cranked up. These will probably need to be cranked up as well, just to get those pepperonis cooking. All right, we'll be back. We're about 20 minutes in. Looks like the underside of that's getting done, but the top side is not. All right, so I think what I'll do is swap these around. Pepperonis are looking pretty good, actually. So I'm going to slide these over if I can. Maybe not. Set those there. Slide these over. Put these in. Actually, since this one in the front looks like it's cooking pretty fast, I am going to flip these around as well. If I can, one-handed, not very easy. Kind of hit one of my pepperonis. All right. Okay, we're gonna let these go. I'm gonna turn it up to 350, and we're gonna let them go. I'll check them probably every 10 minutes until they're done. 15 minutes, look at that. Definitely keep an eye on that. Look at those pepperonis. Yeah, those look delicious. All right. It looks like our pigs in a blanket are done as well. Look at that. All right. Well, let me take these inside, and then we'll be back outside to do a taste test. Here we go. Jalapeno poppers, pigs in a blanket with beef little smokies. I think they're looking pretty good. And then as a bonus appetizer, we got these pepperonis with cream cheese in the middle. For that guy, ain't no way. You mean it's been 40 years? Anyway, pepperonis. The guy did put some little toothpicks in there, so that'll make it easier for everybody to grab one. Yeah. All right. Now we can go take a taste. So there you go. I made myself up a little hors d'oeuvre plate. I got some of those pepperonis. I got the Jalapeño Popper Pigs in a blanket. Well, we're going to do those first because that's what this was really all about. Bottoms look good. They're not burnt. That one's got a jalapeno shining through it. I guess when I took it off the rack, it peeled the dough off. So anyway, let's give these a try. Jalapeño Popper Pigs in a blanket with, I use the beef little smokies, jalapenos, cream cheese. Okay. Hey, those are really good. Those will make an awesome appetizer for any game day. Man, those, I'm blown away. I didn't think they'd be that good, but they're really good. All right. Very good. Okay, now the pepperonis. Yeah, a little dark, but that's okay. It's pepperoni, right? And I'm using some pizza sauce that we had left over. I'm going to dip these in there. Just see how they are. Okay, just like that. You can see that. Wow. I don't know if you can see the cream cheese in there. These are really good too. You need appetizers for your game day. These are super, super simple. If you don't have any pizza sauce, try to get a jar of marinara sauce or something like that. Boy, they're really tasty. Mmm. And these poppers, oh my goodness. Definitely give these a try. Man. Mmm. All right. Get your appetizers ready for football, baseball, basketball, any game day. You can make them any day. Got guests coming over doing a party, make these. They are super good. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.